Hello kids, how are you all? I know you all are working very hard for your test, right children? And next is our English test. So we will be revising for our English test. And what is the syllabus of our English test? We have picture comprehension. Yes children, there will be a picture. You will be seeing that picture very carefully, and then few questions related to the picture will be asked and you will be answering those questions. Then grammar. We will be having articles and grammar, and today we will be revising articles. And in literature, the chapter The Greedy Rich Man is coming. So are you all set for the revision? So children, now can you see this picture? Yes, you can see a girl who's watering the plants, and there are butterflies also in the picture. So now you need to see the picture very carefully. And now let us answer the questions related to the picture. The first question is, how many children are there in the picture? And how many children can you see in the picture? There is only one girl in the picture. So the answer is 1. And now you can write the answer as one girl is there, or you can write just one. Both the answers are acceptable. Now the second question is, how many butterflies are there in the picture? Now let us all count the number of butterflies. 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 butterflies in the picture. So I can write 3 butterflies are there in the picture, or I can just write 3. The third question is, what is the girl doing in the picture? Now you see the picture and try to understand what is the girl doing in the picture. You can write down the answer as the girl is watering the plants, or you can just write down watering the plants. So it is picture comprehension. You need to understand the picture and write down the answers related to the picture. Now comes section B, children. Section B is your grammar, and in grammar we have articles topic coming. Okay, so now let us revise articles quickly. We all know about consonants and vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And all the letters which are not vowels are your consonants, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K. Right children? Now we understand that when do we write a and when do we write an. With the words which begin with the vowel sound, we write an. And with the words which begin with the consonant sound, we write a. For example, a book. Now book word is beginning with b, that is B, and B is a consonant. So we will write a book. Similarly, a frog, a car, a lemon, a dog, a truck. And we put before the words which begin with the vowel sound, like an apple. Apple begins with a, and a is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are your vowels. So an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. So the words which begin with the vowel sounds, we put an before them. Now let us do an exercise related to the same. So now can you see the exercise? Fill in the blanks with a or an. Dash star. Now star word is beginning with S, and S is a consonant. So we will write a star. B is dash goat. Now goat word is beginning with G sound, G sound, that is a consonant. So we will write a goat. Similarly, a pen. And D is angel. Now angel word is beginning with A. A is your vowel, so we will write an angel. Then dash umbrella. Umbrella word is beginning with U, and U is also our vowel, so we will write an umbrella. Then F is a kangaroo. Now next comes section C. Section C is literature. And in literature, children, chapter A Greedy Rich Man is coming in your test. So now let us revise the chapter A Greedy Rich Man. First exercise is fill in the blanks, and children, all these fill in the blanks are given at the end of the chapter. So fill in the blanks you will learn from the end of the chapter, from the back exercise of the chapter given in your book. Okay, so first is his daughter ran to him excitedly, seeing her father's joy. His daughter dashed to him. His daughter ran to him excitedly, dash her father's joy, seeing her father's joy. Second sentence is the rich man and his wife dash. The rich man and his wife cried, but their daughter did not dash, but their daughter did not move. Next is word meanings, children, and this time you will have to learn the word meanings because you will not get that match the following. So you will have to learn all the word meanings. First word is given as scooped and you will write its meaning. The meaning of the word scooped is to pick or move something up. I repeat, to pick or move something up. Next is true or false. So if the statement is true, if the statement is correct, you will write true, and if the sentence is not correct, you will write false. The first sentence is, even though he was a rich man, he always wanted more money and more wealth. And this sentence is absolutely true because that rich man always wanted more money and wealth. So you will write true. The second sentence is, the rich man did not realize his folly. Folly means mistake. The rich man did not realize his mistake, and this sentence is false because at the end of the chapter he realized his mistake. Okay, so children, what will you write? You will write false. Next comes question answers, and children, you all will learn the question answers from your English notebook. The question is, what happened when the rich man bent down to pick his daughter in his arms? Yes, answer is, as soon as the rich man bent down and picked up his daughter, she turned into a gold statue. So this is the revision, children. I hope
now, children,
you all have prepared for your test.
In our mind while attempting the paper, while giving the paper, we have to remember few points. Firstly, we will read all the questions very carefully. Secondly, we will do the paper neatly. You all are going to write neatly. Okay. Thirdly, you all will revise after doing the paper. You will see whether you have attempted all the questions or not. Okay. So are you all set for your test? Best of luck.